Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi.
Mwana na ndo mwancho murigereria karokoro kwigena kwane na nogendrete kwegoke kigimaso kubwatia emirobero yonsi gataseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo Obwansu Bwomogusi nigo charagire chinse 10 cyabona mugoroba cinga kingo kwarigania SMS amaya iriongo manyebuna narayana kwariganire asenchera ere yobenge gendra gutonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube watonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na wegase website ito nigo rasanga mnendo wetera www.ndizitv.net Rio togendre gusanga asobwamo iretriane Evalino Sero nurio koine kya chipicha nerio gicha wikera senchira bene ngakoro kwa sara mu manyingo kwarganyo be kugusanga amonanche goika umoirio Kokwari anticha kama ya chinsa 10 senchira ere yobwenge ase gatia basaye kurwa sensemo ya utambe yo tokase ward ya Kisii Central bunge ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii babere baweso kyana kwemurunganeria abarai abo batari gwikirania amagendro ase chinsa becho bono nigo abarai abasabu babere bagutora musangire kano bukubeka emeroberyo buna barachiye ko bwatrana aso gwikirania amagendro ase chinsa mecho yanko ase keria batere buna nigo barachiye kwagacha egati chipara gokorobo chenu ase chiskuru na boigo ase chinyagitari asoko eneki abuna omuchyo yogo sensemeyo ya utamba yabeire geko mesa nigo boigo baganirie obomo egati abo na kuboria na kurukubore ocha sabarai kweneki abuna nkweso kyabale na kurigereria basaye anene bali bakorete chiskuru batabwati emeremo nako baligeria amabaga yemeremo ase chinsemo gati abo boskari obunyagitari na boigo obwarimu egati chinsemo chinde chinyinge eroko bakonya kwegendereria asama tukabosio.
This young Gen Zs ebachamo babeka their minds together erinde bacha negenteke mabate batete ko ku unity asotamba egento kende bacha batebana bachire kurigereri banyore leaders abo barotamba gusa abantu bachore bakuba represent in either ways mbali acha nabaro baamure ku empower themselves in 3 ways: socially, politically, and also economically. Na ndege ntu ya gatatu twateba mangana development amateke nyoroga iga amache tokuruga iga twagenda asigita tambi sana bakangumeti twachikuya amache kuruga eyere bube sana tubwate leaders ebisima birega iga bitakeire gesima bori kere kiali metukale sana kere bohol itakeire kero sergu none machine kebe keruchitangi elinda abantu banyora amache tigaga ketubwaterane elinda tokonye kinyoro gitu gyotamba
project twa igwana nirega iga togocha gochaka so bwanga mono epara nero gege koruo tamba gesabakwa epare nono mwe MC tanye maeti to igwana ni na basae ngomera na tole tuchage korosie pare eyu ekogera bano ntobwati murayura tokonyega project ya kabere to igwana none school yotamba te bwati none fence no korabi gujane korabi kutumwe none watchman teyo gochaka tole school eyu tokole cleanness nyagitari eto yotamba nere gari tebwati mariogo lakini gento kya muhimu no ni usafi teyo ubonyansi omerete pake chinyasi paka ime pake ubonyambo barororo ina some of the projects to gochaka gokora in the coming weeks
tutaketa baito bacha in the clown bacha batakera basaba sarengaki tutaketa mabaga yobo sigari amabaga yobo nyakitari amabaga yobo alimu abasaye mbaligati abasaye mbaligati gaiga basomete abwente kuri ko bwarimu obanyagitari
Omuraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ritwirare ngabaga wikirana ase University ya East African Baraton yotoka imeye county ya Nandi asumuyega bwo kubekirwa kigutwa abaorokyo babere bagukora ekirengo kyabo kya masomo gukwana kinga kyecyo Ruto nigabaga kworokia omugoko ye na mono akogokera umuke University yaberege kubeka ase myaka wetane 40 yaitire agonoteba buna University ya Baraton yabereke gokonya mono asemiroberio au anene yokurwania igatieme chando emergency ya Kenya nigabaga kubakirambia ababwatani bonse asogosira bagenderete kubwatirana na gusire University yo asoko inekia ebirenke bya masomo nigaganyo wetuma asokoreta monchererio naboigo oburayi burobuya emergency ya Kenya nasibali babiri bakora masomo bokorwa se University yo.
After 46 years of ambition, consistency and commitment to impact service, it is now evident that the University of Eastern African Baraton is a formidable institution which delivers without fail. It is time to translate nearly half a century of excellent achievement into a radical vision for the future based on intentional endeavor to contribute to Kenya's national transformation and to change the world positively through faith-based education and leadership. I dare say it is time to align firmly with the collective desire of Kenyans for rapid positive change, develop and deliver innovative solutions, and provide leadership for the future grounded on excellence, efficiency, integrity, and compassion. The world today is confronted with multiple complex and dynamic threats and challenges, a number of which pose existential implications for humanity and all life on Earth. Climate change and the threat of pandemics are the foremost of these risks. On another level, food and nutrition security, threats ranging from biotechnology to cybersecurity, will continue to loom large over us. The world today has vast opportunity and unprecedented potential for success, not only for individuals, but also for communities, organizations, and nations. Globalization has escalated the scale of transformative possibilities to levels that were not.
Kukwana somo yogo nigo mwaziri wechsemi Julius Migosi Ogamba baga koine kiabuna insi uburaibu muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto anigo baracheko genderera minemero berio yogo kine birango bitsemi emergency ya Kenya ase chiskuru au Ogamba nigateba buna nigo baracheko bwaterana nechi University ase meroberio au yoko ine kiabuna chisemi chabere chigo kini wa kegima wikira sekerengo keria keganire nigo baga koine kiabuna ase wizara yechemi nigo barachi kwenekia obubagi bw'ekibesa ase chiskuru asenchera erengia wanchirira bonde bonsi butayo.
Your Excellency, the value-based education is in fact a critical pillar of both the competency-based curriculum and the competency-based education and training that we continue to roll out in our education system under your very able leadership. I am confident that once the new curriculum runs full cycle across all the levels of education, our education system will cement its place in the world as one of the best. As part of this process, we are working with our universities to ensure that they are ready for the CBC cohort in 2029. As we do this, we are also implementing various reforms that are designed to enhance access, equity, and quality across all the levels of our education system. These include the student-centered funding model for higher education. Your Excellency, we have reoriented the processes under the funding model to make it more responsive to stakeholder concerns. As we gather here today, students due to join universities are receiving their revised admission letters, clearly indicating their respective household contributions to their fees. All public universities would have completed this exercise by tomorrow, the 19th of August 2024.
Umuraiwe kiama kia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka niga mumachiro umuraiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto asogochakia emeroberero ya magendero iyo yabeteke gochakiwa ase myaka ya magega gukwana chinga kecho nigo boigo Kalonzo aberega kugania ubutumeke obuya bwebango ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asatebire na nigo ebanko eyo gusangirirwa egokonya abake nonyene chingaki abakenya bonse bagenderete wakane bango.
Hivi karibuni tumeona watu wanafungua miradi iliyoanzishwa huko zamani zile, wanafungua mara ya pili. Look at this. An example, very iconic example of Kenyans living out there who want to improve the lot of their fellow citizens. So when we talk about remittances by Kenyans in the diaspora, this is a very good example of how you use those remittances. We are going to work so hard to make Kenya better, even for investment, because we have a lot of unfinished business with youth unemployment, with all kinds of things. And as I said, we will also ensure that the monies we generate here at home will also be used for the benefit of the Kenyans, not the benefit of 10 people leading at the top, collecting all the taxes, putting in their own pockets, and some of the money directed to the tax havens, like in Mauritius.
Higati yabara yabuba bagochorwa koirari baga ase obokonyi bw'oburaiwe kiama kia United Democratic gose kiama kia ODM koirari bagari ayo kabero mugavana we county ya Mombasa Hassan Joho na boigo Wycliffe Oparanya abubaro mugavana we county ya Mombasa Abdul Swamad Nasir na boigo mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigo bagenderete kwene kiabuna ekiama kia ODM nigo gitigarete koba egetingu kigima na igotkeri ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza gukwana sese moja oyoge simeye county ya Homa Bay nigabara yabo batebire buna baraboni go baragendere koenekia obwa mateburo buyana boigo botingubwe kiama kia ODM na boigo bwa matebwa abananchi na kwatebona nigo baragendere kwegerera amaganyo yaba Kenya nigo boigo batebire unago ikaba bibakwenekia buna banyorire obubui bwokora ANC ya Kenya sobo chole bonene bu mwaka 2027.
Unajua sisi hatukuchaguliwa kuwa deputy party leader kuwa kama showcase. Sisi hii Kenya sasa tunasema tunazunguka kila sehemu ya Kenya. Agenda yangu mimi ni mbili. Agenda ya kwanza, nataka kuwakumbusha Wakenya ya kwa nilikuwa nimezunguka na nikawaambia wapigie baba Raila Amolo Odinga kura. Baadhi yao wakakataa kunisikia, sasa wao ndio wanalia. Agenda yangu ya pili ni kuimarisha chama cha ODM. Kuwakumbusha Wakenya ya kuwa sisi we are a social democracy ambayo hali ya kwanza ya pili ni hatima ya watu, lazima tuongeze maisha yao iwe bora. I can assure you as the deputy party leader of ODM, ODM is not in a coalition with the government of Kenya. ODM has only come out to say ya kwa nyumba inachomeka, munahitaji firemen wetu, endeleeni chukua firemen kwa sababu nyumba ikichomeka tunachomeka sote.
Sisi kama region ya Nyanza hii tutasimama na baba. Na nyinyi watu wa Pwani mshikilie baba. Kando na yeye kwenda kule AU, tunamwambia baba kwenda, usifunge macho yote mbili. Ikibaki miezi kadhaa wewe rudi. Tutahakikisha kwamba serikali mwaka wa 2027 tuko pamoja na William Ruto kwa debe. Hii kiti lazima tuichukue bwana.
Egati baraya nene korose kiama kia United Democratic Alliance UDA nigo bagendrete koru kuboria gochiase abari mimense ya Kenya inse ya kiombe ya Kupet na boigo nat agotukuterare omogiro yibagendrete kogosereria kogenda achinga kiji skuru chirabe chiko igorwa ase tamu ya gatatu korengana ne kalenda ya masomo y'umwaka yoiga anigo baruro kuboria gochiase abari mu kwene kia gosegwanjira chiskuru ko igorwa na baorokiwa kogenderia buya na masomabo turubanende yonsi etayo asibabaganirie kwa serikali chinga kichinyorora bunanichie goikirania amagani abo nigo babiri bakwegerera serikali ya Kenya kwanza na hotabona nigo erase chimbiro achiokoronge ya uchumi yense na iga magani yonsi yaba Kenya na achigikiraniwa
hawatarudi shule. Tafadhalini, mnajua hii finance bill iliangushwa sio kwa kupenda kwetu, na ninajua sahi serikali vile ninajua huko ndani Mheshimiwa Rais anajaribu kupanga, anajaribu kubalance the equation ndio taifa ipate kuendelea.
Urumia watoto, mpe serikali nafasi ya kutafuta pesa. Tumefanywa kuwa waombaji. Waja tuende tuombe. Tafute kidogo kidogo huko na huko, itarudiwa, hiyo agreement yenu itaheshimiwa. Na nyinyi pia don't use that opportunity.
Ekiombe kiabakorie mirimo asensemo yobosombi wetrenchira yembeo Kenya Aviation Workers Union kagu nigo batuguteirare emeroberio yo kogende omugiro bwemeremo oyo baroberetiego chakaritkoria angyo sigeka yechi ibere nigo korengana barabo bateruna egetamkreke iga na senchira yo koena na ribaga erio chingwa na gokorekana egatiabo no muwaziri bwobosombi Davis Chirchir bakora wano muri kyomonene bwekiombe kyo Moses Ndiema nigo babire bagoteba abune serikali yaberege ko bekemerobere taremekirano gati yabo okuganya gokondishegetie chindege ya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport gochiase company ya Adani mense ya Boindi ikento bagenderete kwe murunganire na oteba bunege tamukirekyo nigo kirachi oturubania obokoreri ase sector yo anene koirera abakore mirimo banke gosiria emirimo yabo.
We will postpone our strike action for 2 weeks. We are getting into discussions with the government and KAA with a very clear mind that we are opposed to anything called Adani. Anything, any trace of Adani, we are not going to allow it. The discussions and deliberations of the government not bear fruit. And after 2 weeks, we are not reissuing a notice. We will decide when, what time, and how to start our strike. We can do it the next hour. We can do it the next day. We can do it after 3 days, a time of our own choosing. We will not end this dispute with the same people who have occasioned pain, who have, come up with punitive policies, decisions against.
Haya munanda mangeno yanyora sentra yobekiranuge koragense mona boigo chinsa isato chiamogoroba ngo bakirambia mona bali mugendere tego tobwatia korwase chinsemo au nyora semiro berionsi ya Ndizi TV na bagoto nyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube wetra Ndizi TV News na bigase website yeto wetra www.ndizitv.net erio togendere gusanga na bego kumanya bunagendere tego korekana ime yense ya Kenya iretrene Evelyn Sero oliene kiachibise nirio gichawe kera senchira bene nigakoro kwa Sara Momanye twaruburi riburo bya semiro bere kubwatia na bayigo emagoroba erentoereru.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi
Ayumwanju wegeta sidi kia Ndizi TV na bogo tubuate wetera senjera yomtandao ya www.ndizitv.net ili kutuligirelia na wigo gusonja mirubiri yito chinse 24 nyaranka nabo gusonja gwetera sesimi yawe yakoboko laptop smart TV